Okay, welcome back. So now we're going to test to see if the graph of this polar curve is symmetric with respect to the line theta equals pi over 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this with what? We're going to replace it with pi minus theta. Okay, so r equals 3 sine 2 times pi minus theta. And so what do we get? We get r equals 3 sine 2 pi minus 2 theta, right? And we get r equals, again, because it's 2 pi, we're going to get the same thing. So we're going to get 3 sine negative 2 pi, which gives us r equals negative sine 2 theta. And so in this case here, we get the opposite, right? So this is symmetric with respect to the, hold on a second, is that right? So we get negative, I think, hold on, let me check because I don't think it matters. Okay, no. So it has to remain unchanged. So it didn't work here. So it didn't satisfy the test. So here's what we're going to do. There's another one, okay? And I don't know why they give you both of these tests. But this one didn't pass. So we're going to do the other one, which says that we can replace r with negative r. And we're going to replace theta with negative theta, okay? And you should see where this is going to go. This is similar to the other one. So this one didn't work. It did not give us the same function, so this test didn't work, replacing with pi minus theta. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace both sides of the equation, one with negative r and this with negative theta. So we're going to go negative r equals 3 sine negative, oops, let's do this right. Negative 2 times negative theta, oops, not negative 2. 2 times negative theta, which again is going to give us negative 2 theta. Which again is going to give us the opposite of sine, so it's going to be the opposite of sine of 2 theta. So this is going to give us negative 3 sine 2 theta. And then of course if we multiply by negative 1, the negatives cancel out. And we get r equals 3 sine 2 theta. So in this case, the ones that they gave us, that I gave you in the previous videos, didn't work. Okay, or they all didn't work. So in this case here, you have other tests you can do. Okay, so for example, if you're testing for being symmetric with respect to the polar axis, you can replace r with negative r and replace theta with pi minus theta. Okay, if you are testing with respect to see if it's symmetric with respect to the pole, well, then you can replace the r with negative r, see if that works, or you can replace theta with pi plus theta and see if that works. Or and if you want to test to see whether the curve or the graph is symmetric with respect to the line theta equals pi over 2, then you can test by replacing r with negative r and theta with negative theta and see if you get the same function. Okay, so those are the three tests that you've seen us use that worked. So you can also use that. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay. Other than that, that's all I have. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.